Morning, girls. Today we are going to see the new lesson, that is Right to Public Amnesia, written by Santosh Desai. Santosh Desai is a author, media critic, and journalist of Mother Pierce Lady. Mother Pierce Lady, making sense of everyday India, as he is the author for this. In this in this collection of essay, he just finds the evaluation of middle class people over the last 2 decades. In his professional life, Santosh is a MD and CEO of Future Brands, a brand and consumer consultancy company, and has previously headed an advertising agency. Santosh Desai principal area of interest lies in examining the evolving nature of a consumer culture in India. So he explains the growing nature of consumer along with the culture. A thought leader in understanding the relationship between a culture and brand and the consumer as a product of his or her cultural context. He is also the author of City Bank, a weekly column in the Times of India. In this he wrote this article, that is the Right to Public Amnesia. Dated on 8th June 2014. This article as an European controversial right to forgotten law passed in 2014. Actually, here he talks about two periods: pre-internet period and internet era. So, in this two period, what are the things are happening? Let's see. So here in the beginning of the lesson, he raising the question. Three question is rising. Does one owns one's existence, and then individual have a full property rights over their actions, and then social imprints left behind by an individual belongs to her. One can choose to erase one's actions if information about them potentially damaging for the person in question, and then some more of the questions are unavoidable in the light of the new, that means in the new right to be forgotten ruling in Europe that grants us permission to right to individual. In the second paragraph, the internet has changed some fundamental assumptions around which society has been ordered. In the beginning of the second paragraph, the internet has changed some fundamental acceptance around. So now, the internet has changed some fundamental assumption around which society has been ordered. Actually, here in second paragraph, he described the internet has changed. Yeah, of course, it is an acceptable one. The relationship between an individual and the society was moderated in the past through the idea of the public and the private, which attempted to reconcile the dual nature of one's existence. Yeah, of course. Nowadays, the society was always depends upon digital life. Okay, because of our digital life, the nature of our memory was changed into dual nature of one's existence. One's life was living as a two variety, that is, one is based on digital life, one is privately. The individual resided in the collective but retained parts of a life to herself by way of a private. So, when we entered into the digital life, the difference between personal and private was changed. Okay, sorry, it is a private and public differences change, because nowadays the media is topmost to handle all the issues. Even after coming up to the end, the still the media was concentrate on such issues and some informations. It will be damaging a repetition of a particular person also. In the next paragraph, also memory was short. The very idea of a public memory was restricted to significant events that needed to recording. One did not document the everyday life everybody. I remember that the first time we bought a tape recorder, Okay, so here he just sharing a one incident. Maybe it will be happened in the poet's life, sorry, in the author's life. So what he did, our memory was very short, and then our public memory was restricted to important events. It was controlled only for the important events, and that needed to recording. Okay, one did not document has one did not document the everyday life of everybody. Yeah, it is acceptable one. We can't do that. We can't store all those things in the some all the details of others. I remember that first time we bought a tape recorder, we used to it record our own voice. That time it was very thrill. Okay, we can record our some events also. You just take a photograph as well as tape recorder. It is useful for recording such a memorable events. It will contain to maintain the relationships of a neighborhood also. So here just they are just pointing that. And then next point, apart from that, the absence of long memories made each life to record ourselves was thrilling. Okay, but the absence of long memories made each life a small neighborhood of events that abutted other similar neighborhood, but those of which the rest of the world was largely ignorant. Most people strove to be remembered. Being forgotten was the default option. Actually, for continuing our relationship, continuing our neighborhood for a recording purpose, we ignorant the large society, large worldly. Okay, what is happening in the world? Okay, what will happen in the future? We forgot that. Okay, and then most of the people are trying to be remembered. Being forgotten as was the default option. Always we are also eagerly remember those things. Everyone have the eagerness to store many things, but unfortunately one by one we are losing our memory based on the events. So in the next paragraph, which it is almost infinite storage and easy to retrievability of any information regardless of age or significance. The internet changed the nature of memory and erased the difference between the private and public and the significance and tribal. Okay, so now in this line, so computer have a huge storage. Okay, and it have easy to get back and any information of any time or any moment, any event, whatever. The internet changes the nature of memory. Okay, the internet changed the nature of memory, erase the difference between the private and public. First thing, the internet changes the nature of memory. It erased the difference between public and private. And then the internet don't know, the digital life doesn't know that which is the significant and which is the worthless. Okay, so that's why he's saying that the nature of memory is changed. Earlier memory and public interest were aligned for most part, except in the case of celebrities where the market for the public circulation of information and their private lives overwhelmed their need for privacy. In the earlier memory, okay, and the earlier public memory was arranged. What we need, what are the things we need to remember, which is the important. But except in the case of celebrity, okay, where the market for the public circulation of information about their private lives overwhelmed, that means anyway their need for a privacy, for their popularity, the such celebrities were telecasting or broadcasting their all those information. But at the end of the time they need a privacy, because when they are to crush up with some problem, they need some privacy. So the internet the digital life is giving us so much of information that is some based on public interest. Today, all information is potentially public and retrievable without any particular powerful public interest necessarily being involved. In today's digital life, all informations are probably giving. probably sometimes not acceptable things are also there. Public were getting back again and again without any powerful public interest. Okay, even whether it is there any public interest, based on their interest, we are collecting the data through the internet. The case that has brought about this judgment has to do with in one casement. Okay, one judgment is showing here the Spanish national who argued that information about an unpaid debt which was since settled was still coming up in a search list and had hurting this reputation. So in Spanish, what happened, actually old one unpaid debt which was since settled some year, which was since settled, but it was showing in the search list. Okay, it was hurtings one, and then it spoils the individual's reputation also. In this case, there was no overriding public interest involved, just a case of outdated information that was damaging to an individual. So once, based on the public interest, once the public going and searching some information in that list, it's showing a old information. They, according to them, it was a finished one, but the person, once the information belongs to him, it was hurting and it will spoil the reputation. So this is the today's class. We will continue in the next class. Thank you, girls.